Several factors can trigger error 027-453. First, physical damage to the scanner glass, such as cracks or scratches, can prevent proper scanning. Second, loose or disconnected cables, especially the ribbon cables connecting the scanner mechanism, can cause communication failures. Third, accumulation of dust or debris inside the scanner unit can interfere with sensors and mechanical parts. Fourth, software glitches due to outdated firmware can lead to scanner calibration issues. Fifth, in rare cases, power surges can disrupt the scanner's calibration. Finally, incompatible third-party toner cartridges can disrupt scanner calibration. Identifying the most likely cause helps narrow down troubleshooting steps. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with a simple hard reset. Turn off your Xerox printer, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait for 60 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This process can clear temporary software glitches and resolve communication errors. Also, do a visual inspection of the scanner glass for any obvious dirt or damage. Dust and debris can interfere with the scanner's sensors. Start by powering off the printer completely to ensure safety. Gently clean the scanner glass with a soft, lint-free cloth. Use a small amount of glass cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Also clean the scanner rollers if they are accessible. Remove any dust or debris that may be caught in them. Ensure the printer is powered off during cleaning. A clean scanner can often resolve the 027453 error. Outdated firmware can cause various errors, including scanner issues like 027453. Firmware is the software that controls your printer's operations, and keeping it current prevents compatibility problems and fixes bugs. First, check the Xerox website for the latest firmware updates specific to your printer model. Download updates from the official support page. You can update firmware through your printer's control panel. Access the Machine Info menu and select Firmware Update. Alternatively, use Xerox Centerware software for remote updates. Connect your printer and apply firmware through the interface. Finally, update through the Xerox Mobile Link app on your smartphone. Select your printer and download the latest firmware. Keeping your firmware current ensures compatibility with new features and provides important bug fixes that can resolve scanner errors. If the basic troubleshooting steps like hard reset, cleaning, and firmware updates don't resolve the 027-453 scanner error, you may need to check the internal cable connections. This advanced step requires opening the printer, so proceed with caution. Always consult your Xerox printer's manual first to understand the disassembly process and avoid voiding your warranty. Once safely opened, inspect the cables connected to the scanner unit. Look for any loose connections that could disrupt communication between the scanner and the printer's control board. Ensure all cables are securely plugged in. Loose connections are a common cause of the 027-453 error, as they can prevent the scanner from communicating properly with the rest of the printer. If you're uncomfortable performing this inspection yourself, or if you notice any damaged cables, stop immediately and contact Xerox support for professional assistance. They can provide expert help without risking further damage to your printer. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the error persists, it may indicate a hardware failure requiring professional repair. Contact Xerox support or an authorized service technician to handle the repair professionally. Attempting to fix complex hardware issues yourself could void your warranty or cause further damage. Common hardware failures include a faulty scanner motor or a damaged CCD sensor. Looking ahead, Xerox is revolutionizing printer maintenance through AI and cloud integration. These technologies enable predictive maintenance, where the printer analyzes its own data to predict and prevent scanner errors before they occur, significantly reducing downtime. Future printer models are expected to feature self-healing capabilities. Using advanced sensors and automated systems, these devices can detect misalignments or faults and recalibrate themselves, resolving errors like 027-453 without user intervention. To prevent scanner errors, maintain your printer regularly, clean the scanner unit frequently, keep firmware updated, and protect against power surges that can damage internal components. Xerox regularly releases firmware updates that include automated scanner recalibration features. These updates can proactively address potential 027453 errors, ensuring your printer remains reliable. Check for updates through the machine's info screen.